Maintaining and optimizing your Sitecore infrastructure is crucial for the seamless performance of your digital platforms to help you achieve your business objectives. Sitecore support and managed services ensure steady support that is vital for business continuity, minimizing downtime, and resolving incidents promptly. At Altudo, a Sitecore Platinum partner, we deliver personalized digital experiences through our end-to-end Sitecore support services. About 33% of the companies that invested in a managed services provider saved between 25 to 49% of their total IT costs. As a managed services provider, we offer tech support, maintenance, monitoring, and troubleshooting for your business, ensuring uninterrupted operations. As a Sitecore Platinum partner, we enhance your tech capabilities, boost business performance, and overall IT strategy roadmap through our Sitecore Managed services. Leverage Altudo's Sitecore Managed service expertise for optimized operations, enhanced competitiveness, and innovation in a changing digital landscape. Download our guide for more insights.